Hey guys, what is going on? I'm at my clients Gianluca and Derek's first, second, and really, I guess for Derek, this is his first and second Section 8 rental properties, but for Gianluca, this is his second and third Section 8 rental property. They're partnering on these guys, and I want to show you this. This is absolutely incredible because what we have here is two houses right next to each other, an absolute dream. We talk about it often. If you have the ability to buy multiple houses in a small area, it's a little loud. Why don't we come on inside here? It's a little loud with all those cars going by. But if we have the opportunity to buy houses that are in very close proximity to each other, we have the ability to control more of the area. So these two houses right next to each other, what I want to do, I want to take you into both houses right after the next one. The all-in purchase price was $87,000 for both houses combined. So it was $42,000 for one, $45,000 for the other, right next to each other combined. They need over $100,000 in work between the two of them, so total. Let's walk through, and I want to just tell you, so brand new custom metal roofs on both houses, brand new HVAC units, all new ductwork, full electrical rewires on both houses. One house, I believe, is being completely replumbed, adding bedrooms to both houses, drywall work, LVP, kitchen work, bathroom work, you name it, we're doing it. Let's walk through and talk about it. So you walk through the exterior, brand new steel door on the front, but you walk through here, and originally we were in a big living room, okay? We built this wall right here to add bedroom number 4 to this house. This is originally a 3-bedroom. So you walked in here, you have bedroom number 1. As you guys can see, which is becoming a pretty common trend, every time we do houses like this, we're always adding as much value as we can, limiting maintenance. The maintenance is in the mechanicals, okay? Which is why you see all the outlets have all brand new electrical wiring, bringing everything up to code, so we don't have to worry about that. Same with roofing, all custom metal roofing on this house too, so you don't have to worry about that thing for 50, 60, 70 years, okay? All brand new LVP flooring is still being put into this house, but we eliminated what was our big living room. We now created a really nice bedroom right here, okay? Built our closet right here, painted it, hit it with all of our base coat of paint. As you can see, all the outlets, all the light switches we built into this wall, as this wall behind you is brand new, all recessed lighting above too. So this is now bedroom number 2, which didn't exist before. And now we have our living room. So we have a good sized living room. You'll be able to put your TV on this wall right here, put your nice big couch right here, put a nice big sectional. It's a good size, all right? Now we walk to the back of the house. As you can see, we have all of our new wiring. So this will be for your refrigerator. This will be for your stove. You have your washer dryer connections there. You have all brand new countertops, brand new sink. We've cleaned up all the cabinets. Still a ways to go on the cabinet cleanup, but a lot of storage here. Really, really nice old style cabinets that are they're in really good condition for their age. So we thought it would add a little bit of character if we left them, cleaned them up, and just made them look better. So we've seen 2 bedrooms, our living room and our kitchen. Now on the back of the house, we have both bedrooms, okay? So bedroom 3 and bedroom 4 on this back half. A lot of natural light comes in. This is in such a great little area, and I'm just fired up for these two guys. And guys, this is so doable for you if you have the right teams. I mean, you're talking about a 6-figure project on this, where you're doing everything abroad, and these two guys live out about 2,000 miles away from here and are trusting us and our team to be able to handle this entire project. And for us, it's a dream because we can choose who we're putting in these units. And as we start to put people in each one of these units, what you realize is, okay, we're putting really good people in these units. We're also renovating 2 houses next to each other. Well, what is that doing? It's bringing everything's value up around it. So now we understand, okay, we know what we're getting for rent in this area, on this street. Each house helps each other's value. And then when we start to do a cash out refinance on this, the values are just going to help each other. So it's a really, really nice way to do things. Now, it's not the only way to scale. You can scale multiple different ways. You don't have to buy houses on the same street or in close proximity to each other. If you have a really good team and you're okay doing things in a market, that's all that matters, as long as you have that same connected team. It's just a little added benefit to do things right next to each other, okay? So we're also re-siding this house as well, which we have not done yet. But new toilet in here, new vanity is going in. That tub is being replaced as well. And then bedroom number 4. So bedroom number 4, this was the original closet, which not much of a closet, as you can tell. I don't even know what you might be able to hang one shirt in this closet. My goodness, it's kind of funny actually. So that's not doing much for us. We have our real closet. We just built behind this. So really good there. And guys, that is our 4-bedroom Section 8 conversion here as well. Okay, new thermostat right here. And this is unit number 1. So let's walk over to unit number 2, which is just right across the street. Now, from a property management standpoint, it's also a dream, because property management wise, we are able to drive by and be able to see this house, be able to check on it and say, okay, well, they look great. They look really good. Everyone's taking care of the units, and you can see 2 units at once. So really, really nice. As you can see, brand new custom metal roof on this thing. The gutters will be done, and this house next door will also be sided. Brand new vinyl siding will go on this as well. So guys, pretty amazing transformation. So originally, you walk in here and you've got bedroom number 1 on the left. You still have bedroom number 1 on the left, okay? And then you walked into this gigantic open space. So same thing here. We're doing plumbing work, electrical work, new roof, siding, HVAC, flooring, drywall, paint, everything. Adding a bedroom as well. So this entire wall right here has been reframed and built out of nothing. So this was a gigantic area right here that was wide open. As you guys can see, we have new duct work, all new ventilation going into this house as well. But as we walk through, so this didn't exist. This was a big living room. We built this wall right here because that is going to be bedroom number 4. You can see bedroom number 3 right here. So we've got bedroom number 1 is going to be to the left. Careful, that's wet paint. So you have bedroom number 1 that we saw from that main entryway. Bedroom number 2 right here, okay? And then behind you, you have bedroom number 3, which is being laid right now. We're laying the LVP. What's up, man? How you doing? So all the flooring's getting laid in here. Brand new closet that was built here as well, but looks really, really, really nice. And then as we move to the back of the house, we have a brand new kitchen. So what we did here, we're putting in all brand new cabinets, all new countertops, uppers, lowers, everything. We'll have our refrigerator here. We'll have our stove right here. We're going full electrical. So you see the old gas lines here. We're gonna get rid of these, and it's going full electrical. Okay, you guys see this whole thing's being rewired. This right here is gonna be for our vent. Okay, so over every stove, you need a vent, a stove vent, so that way when there's heat, it doesn't go to the ceiling, doesn't cause a problem. So that is gonna be our vent hole. So every time smoke and steam gets sucked up, it goes right out that hole. Now, off of this kitchen, we have our pantry. It's a walk-in pantry, really, really cool. And one thing about doing a lot of these old houses, guys, you see things like this, where this house was built in the 40s. People ask me all the time, they say, Rhett, is there an age of home that we need to stay away from? And I usually tell people, yes, we shouldn't go after homes that are over 100 years old or close to it. But when you have construction teams that are in-house that help you do this every day, where you are specializing in houses that are 70, 80, 90, 100, 110 years old, and you know what you're gonna run into, it's not a problem, like our crews. But it's cool to keep a little bit of character. Like, you don't see a lot of pantries like this anymore, walk-in pantries that are like this. That is just so cool. So I really like this, and that's one of the reasons we're keeping this instead of totally taking the whole thing down and just adding it on, ripping all these out and giving us another couple square feet in the kitchen. Because on this size kitchen, it's huge. You can put a kitchen table in here too, easily, and it's a really, really good size. So off of this area right here, we have a little den sitting room here, and then we have our bathroom. So all this is being redone. We're putting a new toilet, new sink, obviously there's new electrical, new ventilation. That's for our bathroom vent, and putting a new tub in here also. So right off of this room, guys, we have our final bedroom. Originally, when we came in here, the subfloor was no good. We replaced some of the subfloor in here too, and then basically everything in here, brand new LVP. They just haven't gotten to this room yet, and this is going to be better than before. So overall, fantastic. I could not be happier for these guys. And when you consider having these two houses right next to each other like this, you're looking at 2 4-bedrooms right next to each other, generating between $1,300 and $1,400 a month each. You're looking at somewhere between $2,600 and $2,800 just in this 20-yard stretch. So really, really super cool. And I know Gianluca and Derek are going to want to continue building in this area, because why not? I mean, you can control a whole entire neighborhood if you continue to buy in an area. Then from a management standpoint, you drive by it and okay, there's my house 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But also you continue to raise the values of everything around it. You bring the quality up. As you bring the quality up, the level of neighborhood starts to get better. The tenants that want to move there start to get better. You just continue to help yourself. But it's not the only way to do things. There are a lot of ways to do it. The only thing I care about is you do it with the right people, the right teams. If you guys want to do it, send me an email in the description below. We'll get you set up just like this. Okay, please, 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 as always, leave your questions and comments below. We'll get to them, and we'll see you next time.